Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are fine, right? Okay, very good. In the last class, we have learnt about doing multiplication of a 2 digit by 1 digit, 3 digit by 1 digit, and 4 digit by 1 digit. Okay, now in this session, we are going to learn how to do multiplication of a 2 digit by 2 digit, 3 digit number by a 2 digit number, and a 4 digit number by a 2 digit number. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn. First, starting we are going to learn about a 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication. Means in the first number which we are multiplying will have 2 digits, and the number with which we are multiplying will have 2 digits. Okay, children. Now let us take the number. Okay, 31. Okay, 31 multiplied by 24. Okay, what are the two numbers here, children? 31 multiplied by 24. Here see, 31 it has 2 digits and 24 also it has 2 digits. Okay, now write it. 31 into 24. Already we know that this is 1 is in the ones place and 3 is it in the tens place. Okay, children. Now see, already in multiplication we know that we have to start doing multiplication from the ones place, right? Means from the right hand side corner you have to do the multiplication, right? Now see, so first what we have to do, already we know how to do a multiplication using with one digit, with one number you know how to do multiplication, right? Now just simply think that there is no 2 here. Okay, what we have to do here, 31 into 4, you imagine that 31 into 4, already we know that, already we have learned how to do a 2 digit multiplication with a 1 digit number, right? So now which number we have to multiply first? With 1. So here 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are it's 12. So 31 into 4 is 124. As soon as you complete doing multiplication with the number in the ones place, what we have to do? We have to cancel the number here. The first place you have to cancel here. You should not cancel here or somewhere here. You should not do. You have to write the digits in a line. Oh, see, all the digits will be in the line. You have to write in a line. Okay, children? Now, here, the first, as soon as you complete doing multiplication with the number in the ones place, you have to strike out the first number. Okay? Now, what we have to do? We have to do 31 multiplication with 4. Sorry, with 2. Why we are cancelling this number? What is it? Why we are cancelling this place? Because here 2 it is in the tens place. So we should not start writing from the ones place, right? So we are cancelling this place. Now 2 ones are 2. The same process, children. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. Now what we have to do? We have to add both the numbers. Here see, 4 plus here nothing is there. No number is there. Just the place was cancelled out, right? So the number here will be 0. So 4 plus 0 will be 4, 2 plus 2 it will be 4, 1 plus 6 it will be 7. So 31 into 24 it is equal to 744. This is how we do a 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication, children. Once again I will tell you, see, 31 into 24. First what we have to do, we have to multiply the number with the number in the ones place, that is 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. As soon as you complete doing multiplication with the number in the ones place, we have to cancel the number in the first place. Because as we now, the second line we are doing the number multiplication with the number in the tens place, we have to cancel the first place. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. After completing both the lines, we have to add them. That is 744. One more example you see, children. This is, let us take the example A and this is example B. One more example we can see, children. Let us take 36 into 42. Okay, 36 into 42. Start. So here 36 into 42. Okay. Now, once again, forget about the 4 in the tens place. Just take 2 and multiply with 3 and 6 and 3. So here 2 6 are 12. 12, how to write? What I have taught you? See, 2 it will be coming here down and 1 will be carried to the next place. Okay, to the tens place. Now 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 it is 7. Very good. Okay, so the multiplication of the number with the number in the ones place, it has completed. So strike it out, and what we have to do? We have to strike out the number first place. Okay, now multiply with the 4. Okay, 4 6 are 24. Very good. So 24. Which number we have to write down? The number in the right hand side, that is 4 you have to write down, and 2 should be carried to the next place. Now 4 3s are 12. 12 we have to write? No. As we have 2 here carrying, we have to add it. So 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 13, 14. So it is 144. Now what we have to do? We have to add both the numbers. Now 7 plus 2 is 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 4, it is 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 and 1 carried. 1 plus 4 is 5, and this is 1. So 36 into 42 is 1512. This is how we do a 2 by 2 multiplication. Now we will see how to do a 3 by 2 multiplication, children. Okay, means 3 digit by a 2 digit multiplication. Now we are going to learn about a 3 digit by a 2 digit multiplication. Okay, now see. Let us take 214 into let us take 12. Okay, 214 into 12 means here we have 3 digit into 2 digit number, means 3 digit by 2 digit number multiplication. Now let us write. Okay, 214 into 12. What we have to do now? The same process again. First we have to forget about the number in the tens place. We have to see only the number in the ones place, and you have to start doing multiplication with 2 from 4, means from the ones place. Okay, so now let us take it out. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Very good. Up to here we know very well. As soon as you complete doing multiplication with the number in the ones place, what we have to do? We have to cancel the number. We have to cancel the first place. Now start doing with the number in the tens place. 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2. Now what we have to do? We have to add it. Okay. Now 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 plus 0 it will be 2. So 214 into 12 is equal to 2568. This is how we do a 3 digit by 2 digit multiplication. See one more example, children. Let us take 465 into let us take suppose take 43. So this is the sum we have to do. Arrange them, children. 465 into 43. Okay, the same process again. You have to do multiplication with 3 only first. So 3 5s are 15. 5 you have to write down, and 1 should be carried to the next place, that is ones place. No, we should not carry it to the hundreds place. As we are doing multiplication here, the carrying number should go to the next place. Okay, children? So it will go to the tens place. Okay. Now 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. So 19, 9 will be written down, and 1 should be carried to the next place, that is hundreds place. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Very good. Completed? No. We have to do multiplication with 4. Before doing that, what we have to do? We have to cancel out the number in the first place. Okay. Now these also, as we have completed this, cancel them so that we won't get confused. Okay, ma'am? Now now start doing with the digit in the tens place, that is 4. 4 5s are 20. So 0 will be written down, and 2 will be carried out to the tens place. Okay. Now 4 6 are 24 plus 2. 25, 26. That is 26. 6 will be written down and 2 should be carried to the next place, that is hundreds place. 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 17, 18. So 18 should be written down. Now what we have to do? We have to add both the numbers. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 6 it's 9. 1 plus 8 it's 9 and 1. So what's the answer here? 465 into 43 is equal to 19,995. This is how we do a 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Now we are going to learn about a 4-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Same process, children. If you want to do, see children, if you get 2 by 2 multiplication, the same process will be applied for everything. Okay. The only thing is the first place should be cancelled. If you do that, the sum will be right. Okay. Now, see. So now we are going to do a 4-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Okay, children. Now let us take an example. 4-digit 1212 into 23. Okay, here the number is 1212 into 23. Okay, now see what we have to do. First we have to do multiplication with the number in the ones place, that is 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. As soon as we complete multiplication with ones place, what we have to do? We have to cancel the digit in the starting place. Okay. Now we have to do with the number in the tens place. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So the multiplication part is completed. Now what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 2. So the answer is 27,876. This is how we do a 4-digit by 2-digit multiplication without regrouping, means without carrying. Okay, children? Now let us take one more example, children. Let us take 7,025 into 65. Okay. So here the number is 7,025. 7,025 into 65. So what we have to do? Already I told you that tens place, you forget about the number in the tens place, take the number in the ones place. So 5 5s are 25. 5 should be written down and 2 should be carried to the next place. Okay. Now 2 5 2s are 10 plus 2 carrying 12, means 2 should be written down and 1 should be carried to the next place, that is hundreds place. Now 5 zeros are 0. Very good. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 sevens are 35. Okay. So now we have completed multiplication with the number in the ones place. Now we have to do what we have to do. We have to do multiplication with the number in the tens place, that is 6. Before doing that, what we have to do? We have to cancel the first place here and the carryings also. Okay. Now 6 5s are 30. So 30. What we have to do? 0 should be written down and 3 should be carried to the tens place. As we are writing 3 here, we should not carry 3 to the hundreds place because we are multiplying this. Even though we are writing here, we are doing multiplication with the ones place. So the carrying should be going to the tens place only. Okay. Now, so next 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15. What we have to do? 5 should be written down and 1 should be carried to the hundreds place. Okay. Now 6 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 sevens are 42. Now what we have to do? We have to add. Okay, 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 4. So the number is 4,56,625 is the answer. This is how we do a 2-digit, 3-digit and a 4-digit multiplication using 2 digits. Okay children? Hope you understood. Next class we will go for the further sums. Okay children? Bye. Take care.